Hey guys, today we'll try to understand the next function on case conversion, which is lower. Now, this method or function converts all the case-based characters. So, any case it may be uh, in a string into lowercase. However, for the strings containing only lowercase, it will not be converted. So, it will remain as it is. Yeah. So this method also exempts for strings containing numbers and symbol character as they are not case based. Yeah. So special characters and symbols are not case based. Hence those are excluded. Uh, we'll this is just an opposite of upper, which we'll see in our next video, in which letters are uppercase. Yeah, and they both are applied in real time. So if you want to develop an application where case sensitive is not taken into consideration, you can use it. Yes. So lowercase, what you need to understand is lowercase is used to uh, convert a string into lowercase characters. The syntax for the same is, let me put the syntax in place. So the syntax for this is str dot lower. Yeah. So this is the syntax for yes. Now there are no parameters, so the return value is just lowercase string. Yeah. The string taken as an input has all upper cases right now. So let's see, we use a string which has all upper cases in it. So this is um, uppercase string. Yeah. And we'll apply the syntax which I have given shown you above. So I'll say print str print str dot lower. Yes. Let's see what is the output. So this is an uppercase string converted to, I'll just write, converted to lowercase. Yeah. I run this again. Yeah, you can see this. All characters have been changed to lowercase. So let's see if is an, I'll just have a small case string right now. This is the lowercase string. So lowercase string will not have any case string will not have any effect with lower function. Yes, same way uppercase will be converted to lowercase. Yes. So let's see if this is being converted or as it remains as it is. See this? So this gets remains as it is. So let's try with some numbers as an input. The method returns the original string again. So I'll just put some random numbers. Uh, any random number. Yeah. So this will again numbers or integers will not have any change with this function. Yes. So let's run this again. Because we do not have in numbers, we do not have any uppercase or lowercase. Let's try with some symbols. Yeah. Again, the result produced is again the original string. So special characters also will not have. So let me put some special characters here. Yeah. So I have added a lot of special characters. So special characters will not have any change with this function as well. Yeah. So let's see. See this? So special characters also do not have any change as such with the lower function. Yeah. Now, in a non-case sensitive environment, yeah, two strings are compared to see if they are equal using the lower method. Yeah. So if I have an if string and if I have an uppercase and a mixed string, so suppose I have two strings. So I have str equals to str1 equals to I have an uppercase example. Yeah. And I have another string which is lowercase mixed mixed case. So I'll say if I want to, this is uppercase example. Oh, no problem. I just have a string example. I'll keep it this way so that I can mix it. So I'll have small case as string. Okay, keep it small case. Yeah. So here we have an uppercase letter and we have a mixed uppercase and lowercase. Yeah. And if I like to compare them, if str1 dot lower, yeah, equals to str2 dot lower, it will say print both the strings are equal. Yeah. Or else it will print both strings are not equal. Yeah. So let's see what is the output of this, whether the lower is converting it to, yeah. Yes. So it has converted it to lower and it is when it is compared. So in this example, what we have done is we have created two strings, converted them to lowercase using this method. Yeah. So we have converted them to lowercase and then compared them with each other. Yeah. With a if condition. Now, this program have printed both the strings are equal. Yeah. So this is how a non-case sensitive environment, two strings are treated equally with a lower case. Yeah. So this is how you can use lower for playing around with your string characters. Yeah. Hope you understood this function. Please subscribe and like my channel or comment on this particular video so that we can make it much better. Thank you so much.